Welcome back to Britton Farms Homestead. I thought I would do an update on our plants that we have planted in the bay window. They were beginning to look a little spindly. That's what my grandmother calls them, spindly, lanky. And we figured out they probably needed some more light. So we bought this light here. And we're kind of trading them out because we don't have a light down here, but we're going to trade them out and see if that helps them. They all need water right now. But all these down here are tomato plants. These are all tomato plants. And then these up here are all pepper plants. I also wanted to let you guys know that this Thursday, March the 11th at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we're going to have live trivia garden questions in the trivia. And we're going to be giving away 3 prizes to the top 3 winners. We have the ball cannon utensil set we're going to give away. We have the 2021 Farmer's Almanac. And we have a bunch of seeds we're going to give away. So I hope everybody's able to join us on our trivia night. I hope to see everybody there. And we can just hang out, have some fun, win some prizes. Thank you. God bless. Go ahead and subscribe, like, and leave any comments down below.